Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find similar games in Facebook on your PC. Follow these easy steps to get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Look for the games icon in the upper bar of the Facebook interface and click on it. Step 3. Select your desired game. Browse through the available games and click on the one you want to find similar games to. Step 4. Access the Related Games menu. From the right-hand menu, locate the See More option next to Related Games and click on it. Step 5. Scroll down to find all similar games. Scroll through the list of related games that appear below to discover similar games to the one you selected. And there you have it. You now know how to find similar games in Facebook on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.